So here I have a airbag light on, and sometimes it blinks and sometimes it's just on like that. And I checked out the seatbelt pretensioners connection and all that, and it seems to be okay. So then I went under a seat and looked under a seat, and this is what I find. So let's fix this and see if the airbag issue goes away. I want to make sure that you disconnect the battery so you don't burn the fuse or you don't get shot by voltage. And then just put electrical tape over it. And for me, it was 2 wires that were touching against each other. Make sure none of the wires are damaged before you put tape over it. The reason these wires got damaged like that, the way they did, is because of this piece not being mounted properly. So what I'm gonna do is just zip tie it to that, so there's not so much movement of these wires everywhere. But of course you don't want to limit too much the movement, because the seat has to move back and forth. You know, when you do it, just check afterwards, make sure the seat has plenty of movement and it doesn't stretch the wires to damage them. This is what mine looks like, and I won't zip tie this part. All the other wires are nice and loose, and I did test it. I went back and forth and it seems to be, you know, just moving a little bit. The wires move a little bit, so, and they're not in the way of anything. So that's what you want to see. Gonna go ahead and connect the battery back on, just like that for now. Let's go ahead and start the truck. We'll see if the light disappears. Disappeared for now. Let's see what it says on this. Now read the codes on airbag. Okay, still saying belt tensioner status. Let's go ahead and delete that, and then we'll see, because before I tried to delete it and it would just not delete, it would just be there. So let's see if it will delete this time. There we go. Deleted the code. Let's see if there's any codes. No codes found. Fantastic. And the light is not on. So that's great.